High five. Psych. Just got you. You always fall for it. On today's episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we're going to try to get this 73 Buick Riviera 455 started. I bought it. The guy said the motor was good, but he couldn't get it started, so I don't know what that meant. But I bought it anyway, because I need this motor for my 74 Buick Apollo. It's got a straight 6 in it right now, but I want to put a 455 big block and a turbo 400 in it, so. Alright, come on, Baloney, come on. Baloney's going to be helping me. Go inside. When I tell you to spin it, spin it. Don't let go until I tell you. It's in there. Remember last time it set my eyebrows on fire. Alright, go ahead, spin it. Oh, maybe it's going to start. Go ahead, do it again. Alright, hold on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold it. Go ahead, spin it. Hold it. I had a little bit of fire. Let's see. Go ahead, spin it. Oh, hold on. What the hell? Yeah, it started. Hold on. You know what? Let me get something to keep there. I think that carburetor's shot. That's one of those Chinese knockoffs. It's definitely getting sparked because it fired. Let's see, go ahead, spin it. Oh shit, go ahead, keep spinning until I tell you. Go ahead, keep spinning until I tell you. Go ahead, keep spinning. Go ahead. Keep turning the ignition until I tell you to let go. Go ahead. Oh, turn it off. Alright, that's good. Alright, we got it started. So the motor does run. Good. High five. Psych. Just got you. You always fall for it. Alright, well there we go. That's a plus sign. So let's walk around and take a look at it. I really hate to take this car apart, man. Because it's a cool looking car, right? 73 Riviera. I paid $600 for it, right? 5 or 600? How much? 600? 5 or 6, something like that. The kid bought it, and he wasn't the brightest bulb, put it that way. And his dad wasn't either. I seen some hack shit that they did with one of their cars. I don't know why he took the brake master cylinder out, all that stuff, but yet he added gauges. Why would you put gauges on a car that doesn't run? And and I'm taking those gauges out. I forgot I had those. So yeah, I really hate to take this thing apart, man. It's cool. I mean, it's got the wrong seats in it. I don't know what these seats are for. Yeah, that's for the gauges. But it runs. Obviously it runs. I didn't think it ran because we tried getting it started last time and it backfired and set my eyebrows on fire. Remember? So it's really not that bad. I mean, it's got some rust, but what 1973 car that's been sitting outside doesn't have rust.
What if we just put metal panels?
Look at this. Look how cool that back window is.
What if we just put metal panels?
I could fix the rust. Somebody did some hack shit with a fuel pump back there. I mean, it's rusty, don't get me wrong. But it's just such a cool looking car. And it's the same year I was born, 73 Riviera.
I thought it was 73.
No, 73. I just looked at the title. I mean, it's got rust. Just look how good that sucker looks. Such a sweet looking car. It looks like a damn.
Handles.
It's got a boat. It's a boat tail. That's what's considered a boat tail Riviera. I don't know what these seats are out of, but they're not even bolted in. Oh shit! So this won't be taking a ride anywhere. Let's see how bad the floor is.
It's pretty bad.
It's pretty bad, but you know what? I mean, it's a rat rod, or it could be made into a rat rod. I will get a different set of seats. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, man. I want the motor and tranny for my Buick Apollo, but I can always shove a small block in there afterwards and just make it into a running and driving car. Because I got a couple 305s in the garage that I'm not gonna do anything with. So it'd be cool with a 305, because the reason I bought it is for that. So once I take the engine and tranny out, the car is free. I have a title for it. Either that or I'm going to sell it to somebody who can use it for parts. I mean, I really don't want to take the car apart. And I don't want to junk it. Because there's a lot of good parts. Look at that. That quarter panel is not bad if somebody needs one. I mean, there's parts on here that are still good. And they're hard to come by. So, alright. Do me a favor. Like, comment. Tell me what you think I should do with this car. Definitely pulling the motor and tranny for my Apollo, or at least the motor. Motor and tranny, because it's a turbo 400, and it's a 455, and a 73 is it's only 8.5 to 1 compression engine, but it doesn't matter. I could put old heads, 1970 heads on it, bump the compression up. But I could drop a 350 in there, small block Chevy 350 or 305. I have a couple extra ones in the garage, and I can make it run and drive. Put the booster back on, put the brakes together. I'm not sure what I should do with it. Let me know in the comments. What should I do with it after I take the engine out? I mean, I really hate to junk it because it's a cool looking car. I could get some flat black paint, paint it, right? Would that be cool? Yeah, we'll see. All right, guys, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think, and you'll see something happen on a future episode.